Hey everybody, and thanks for joining me today on Outside with Jeff. Today we're going to be taking a look at this bug zapper. Purchased a bug zapper 2 years ago from Amazon, and this year whenever we went to plug it in, which as you can see, it's not lighting up. Most likely it's going to be the light bulb has just burned out. So we're gonna go ahead and open this up. I've ordered a new light bulb for it. They are pretty well, one light bulb fits most. You just wanna check the length of your light bulb. I was able to read the model number of the light bulb on the one that's currently installed. So I just simply ordered that same light bulb. Right now I'm using a stubby Phillips head screwdriver and just taking the top off so we can gain access to the bug zapper a little bit better. So we're just gonna back these screws out. You'll notice I have a garbage bag on top of my table here. That's just because the nature of a bug zapper, you're gonna have dead bugs and things of that nature that you wanna be aware of. You don't want to really make a huge mess. So pretty simplistic design here. You got a couple plastic clips here, and there's a couple more screws that we'll need to undo. So you got a transformer in there that goes to the bug zap mechanism that actually fries the bugs, and then you got a couple wires that go to the light bulb that attracts the bugs in. So right now I am taking that off. Got a couple more screws to remove. There we go. And then I've already unplugged it, as you've seen, safety first. And then you got two little push clips. You push them in and pry it up. Let's see. Center clips as well. Okay. Just gonna pry that out. Just don't want to break it. You gotta push down, push in, and lift up. Okay. Set that to the side. We'll flip that over, and this will gain us access to the light bulb. Now there are a couple clips on the top, but you can see you're gonna have to push the two pin clips. I'm gonna get the new light bulb out and see if it just pushes in. Some of these have a little retainer clip. Some of them do not. We'll see if this one has a retainer clip or not. Okay, so this is simply a 4-pin, which means it just gotta put a little extra force into it. Wiggle it back and forth. Pull it out. There we go. Fantastic. Take the new one. Line it up with the pins. Push it down until it seats. It is fully seated. Bring the guards back over. We're going to set this in place. Line up your two screw tabs and your push tabs. You gotta push down, push in, push down, push in. Okay, we got 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so now before we install the cover, we're going to go ahead and plug it in and make sure everything works. All right, so we have another issue. It was not the light bulb. Unplug things. take a closer look here. All right, it appears we actually have a blown transformer. So we're gonna have to order a new transformer for this particular model, but I'll probably price a new one compared to the transformer price. In some instances, it'll actually be cheaper just to buy a new unit. So for now, I'll go ahead and uninstall this light bulb, and we will get that returned since that was not the problem. And we will further diagnose this problem. We will, like I said, it's very simplistic design. There's a transformer and there's a light bulb. So the light bulb was fine. So we have a transformer issue. So the next step will be pricing a transformer versus pricing a new unit. If it's not cost effective, you'll just buy a new replacement. So I hope this was helpful. Have a great